Hello, hi, good evening. Okay, so now we have already placed all the furniture. All right, in the last video, we have seen how to place all the furniture. And now I'm going to show you how to place casework, how to model casework. For example, the bedroom cupboard, kitchen interior, and TV stand kind of casework. Okay, plywood work, we can say. So I'm going to show you. So if I go to orient to view, so this is the first floor. So what we have placed all the furniture item like sofa, okay, I like the sofa, dining table, and the bed, a stool, some plumbing fixtures we have placed. But in the kitchen, you can see we have not done any casework. We have not placed the stove and the plumbing fixture, wash basin, and the top wall top storage we have not done. Actually, we have two windows. Actually, we can remove one window here. Okay, and then lots of here we need another door. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to um, model casework. Okay, to model casework, we have all the family, so you don't have to worry about anything. Go to insert, load family, and then here you can see in the library, you can go to English, US, then we have casework folder. So base cabinet, the kitchen, cabinet, countertop. You can actually see here, these are countertop, the straight L shape, and with the wash basin, without wash basin. You can see the base cabinet, countertop, and a tall cabinet. So this is a bedroom cupboard, and wall cabinet is a kitchen wall cabinet. So you can see here. Okay, so first of all, we have to load everything, right? Let's take tall cabinet. I'm going to use only this one, and this one. Just load them. Okay, I'm going to level 1. So here, let's say, so this is my cupboard space. Go to architecture, then place. Okay, then if I go to a section, let's take a section. It's a big section. Flip so that I can see. So this is the cupboard, right? Just place. Something is not okay. It looks like it's not okay. Let me go to the level 0. And here if you see, in the 3D view, okay, so this has to be rotated. Okay, all right. Now just align. In the section, you can see. Just to copy the same, I'm using a shortcut key, CO, AL for align. Okay, so this is the cabinet. So totally we have two cabinet as together. In case if you want to place one more, you can place. Actually, that's so close to the door, so I'm going to leave this space. In case if you want to place the wall cabinet, then you can place. Let's go to insert, load family, wall cabinet. These are wall based cabinet. select. This looks like transparent. Oh, this is fine. Open architecture, then component, then just place. These are wall based, so wall is the host. So you can see there is a small gap. I just increase the height of this. So just check the total height 2 feet. Select, go to edit type. Then here height, make it as 2 feet. Okay, now it looks perfect. Just a copy. Learn to use shortcuts, that will surely help you. And so here you can see there is a small gap. So for this kind of gap, you can use filler. Just load family. Then here you can see filler. So we have filler for all the type of cabinet. So just use a filler to place. Align to the bottom. Then on the width also, we don't need select. Okay. And you can also change the width of this. Let's go to edit type, duplicate, give the size, change. Okay, so this is changed. Now I just have to align, and the height will become 2 feet. Okay. Okay. So this is how we have to do. If you want to model for the next floor, then you can just copy paste. Actually for this space, I don't need in a L shape. I don't need. Just trim this here. Finish. Okay. And the depth also we can change it as 2 feet. Okay. And here also we can make it as 2 feet. Okay. And this one 1 feet only. Just 2 feet. Okay, finish. Okay, so you can remove this. Just copy these items to the next floor. Just copy and align to selected level. Paste. Okay, that's it. So if you do one floor, the next floor you can just copy paste. So this looks fantastic. Actually, the bottom slab we don't need. I just delete the bottom slab. Here also we don't need. Okay, looks good. Okay, so I have already done all the casework modeling. Now I'm going to show you around because casework modeling takes lots of time. Okay, so you need to know how to place it. First of all, you need to know how to load, then how to place. That's it. So there is only one difference. Okay, so there is two type of family. One is floor based, another one is work plane based and host based. So if it is wall hosted, then you have to place on the wall. For example, door. Without the wall, we cannot place the door. Likewise, cabinet also, if it is wall hosted, then we need to place on the wall. If it is floor based, then we can place in on a level. In case if it is work plane based, then you need a surface or some work plane to be activated, and then you can place there. Okay, so just to check these parameters, check here work plane based, always vertical. If it is work plane based, then the placement procedure is different. You have to check the work plane, current work plane, then place. If it is wall hosted, then you can place on wall only. Okay, so this is the procedure to place casework. Now I'm going to show you my model. Let's open the finished model. So this one I have already finished. I'm going to show you how I did it. Okay, so all right, so I have placed a new car, brand new car. All right, we have the road, we are going inside. This is the gate family that I downloaded from BIM objects. Then we have the car family that also downloaded from BIM objects. Okay, then so we have the lintel, all the lintels are modeled. Okay, so I've also modeled this extra wall for a design. So if I bring this down, then we can see that this is my kitchen. You can see there, this is the kitchen top, just a family. If I hide, you can see these are looks like top open family. The stove is actually a separate family, and this is also a separate piece. I'm giving double H for a temporary hide, and wash basin you can see. Okay, so these are individual families. Everything is downloaded from Revit folder. All the caseworks are downloaded from Revit folder only. So these stove and wash basin downloaded from a BIM object. Okay, and this is a TV, right? Okay, then the bathroom fixtures are covered in the furniture. I have placed a bucket also. So this bucket I downloaded from revitcity.com, and you can see this is a master bedroom. Furnitures are already placed, so I just placed this casework and the mirror. Okay, and all the cupboard. It's a simple cupboard, just downloaded and placed. So actually these are from a Revit default folder. I didn't do any extra. I did not change anything. I just placed, and you can see here wardrobe. So neat. These are fillers. Okay. Okay, so that's all. So this is how we have to model. So once you model, you will have a better a look. Okay, so now the next learning is modeling the floor finish and wall finish. Okay, so we have to say that like the tiling work for floor and wall that we are going to learn in the next video. In case if you're having any doubt in casework, please let me know. Okay, so this video will be helpful if you know the Revit basic knowledge. You have to go through the basic training first, then you can go for the project learning. Okay, so in case if you are so new to Revit, go to my channel page and then go for playlist. Okay, so here there is a playlist for the tools learning for architecture and structure. Okay, so this is the English version. You can also learn in Tamil. If you go here, here is a syllabus video. So you can watch the syllabus video, which is free for everyone, but the other videos are members only videos. So please join my channel. You can click here and join my channel. Then you can access all these videos. Okay, these are essential videos. You have to go through these videos first, then you can go for project learning videos. Okay. In case if you're having any doubt in casework, then please let me know. Okay. Thank you. I'm closing this here. Bye then.